Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for fonts and typography businesses and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, now as you see you can start with Chat AI. So it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. You have just to answer the questions that's gonna ask you, and you can set up your website. And also you can go to basic setup. You can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. So let's get started. Now you can enter your business type or your website type. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, Typography Design Studio. Now you can enter your website name. Okay, now let's go to the dashboard. So now let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design websites? If you want to let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template. For me, I'm gonna start from here. So let's get started. You can enter your informations, the name, your website name, the email, the address, and the phone, and also you can add the social link. Now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive, like the simple details, like the themes and like the colors. It's more important to make your site look attractive, to attract customers to your website. Okay, now wait a few seconds for pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this one. Now if you want to add page to your site, you can skip all this and customize them later. Now as you see, this is the editor page. You can add elements, you can add sections, you can manage pages in the menus, you can design your sites, you can add apps. Also you can manage your business. So for example, if you want to add elements, you can start from the text, the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask. Also here you can upload emails or import emails. You can explore emails free from Wix, free Wix illustrations. Also you can customize the theme buttons, the text and icon buttons, the image buttons, the document buttons. Here you can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. Okay. Also, if you wanna add something new, for example, you can add a section. You just select the type of the section. You can select here your type and your style. You can put it on your editor page. If you wanna customize and design your site, you can change the color theme, the text theme, the page background, the page transitions. So that's it. Now let's move on to the first section here, the header section. So you can do quick edits. You can change, for example, this name here. You can manage the horizontal menu. If you want to add something new, you can just click here like just I said. Now let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, this is the welcome section. So you can, for example, change this text right here. You can just describe what you want in your text, and also you can just select the type of the section. For example, this is the welcome section. You have to insert information to include here. and it's gonna create it for you. Okay, also if you want to change this image right here, just click on it and click here, change image, and you can select for example this one or this one right here. Now let's move on to the next section. This is the gallery section. You can manage media, and also you can change this one right here. Also you can change the color. Now let's move on to the next section. So the same thing here, you can change the color in the background. Also you can change the text right here. You can edit the text, for example. If you want to change the fonts, you can just select the style and select the fonts, and that's it. It's gonna create it and it's gonna change it for you. So this is the last section here. You can do a quick edit. For example, if you want to edit your email, and if you want to edit the company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Also you can save your editor page from here. For example, if you want to go to the preview, you can just click here and wait a few seconds, and like this. Now after you're done, you can go back to the editor. So as you see now, you can publish your website. Now you can just click here and you can start selling, you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.